If you're looking to enhance the sound system on your Honda Goldwing, these 15-watt replacement speakers are worth considering. Designed specifically for the GL1200 front and rear as well as the GL1500 rear, they offer a straightforward upgrade over the original equipment speakers. These speakers measure 4 inches and serve as a direct replacement for your OEM units. That means installation is quick and hassle-free, with no modifications needed. You get a perfect fit that restores your bike's audio without any guesswork. What changes with these speakers? You'll notice clearer, louder sound compared to the worn-out originals. While they're not designed to blast headbanging rock, they deliver solid, reliable audio that fills your ride with quality sound, especially from the rear speakers. Riders who've installed these replacements praise their easy setup and improved performance. One user shared how their rear speakers on a 1500 Goldwing were completely shot, but after swapping in these, the sound was noticeably better and installation was a breeze. Another rider with a 1996 Goldwing mentioned these speakers matched the description perfectly. They're a practical fix for tired, fading speakers, and now the rear sound is actually audible, making every ride more enjoyable. These speakers aren't just about volume, they bring clarity to your music or podcasts, improving your overall riding experience. And because they're sold as a pair, you get consistent sound quality on both sides of your bike. If you want a reliable, no-fuss way to refresh your Goldwing's audio, these 15-watt speakers fit the bill. They fit perfectly, sound better, and won't break the bank. Worth a look if your current speakers are losing their punch. Try these replacement speakers when you're ready to upgrade your sound system. They're a practical choice that brings your Honda Goldwing's audio back to life with better volume and clarity.